Extended leak. Before we get started, remember that the extended leak alert starts with the leak alert. So if you haven't seen the leak alert video, I recommend watching that before learning about extended leak. The extended leak alert is created only on a system that has a normally open master valve and is raised when unscheduled usage creates a leak alert, or the water turns on, and then that leak alert runs longer than the extended leak threshold, which we program with the allowable time for this type of irrigation. And the best example of an extended leak scenario is the kid making minimum wage to water down garden stock. The first thing he does is plug in the quick coupler and start watering down the garden stock, and the second thing he does is checks his phone and walks away from the running water. So the most common leak scenario is when someone is using your irrigation system by plugging in hose bibs or quick couplers, where the measured usage creates a leak alert, and then that leak alert exceeds the extended leak delay. But uncommon extended leak scenarios include irrigation breaks in the field. If something is stuck on in the field, you can get an extended leak alert. In addition, if your flow connection is creating false signals, that can show up as an extended leak alert as well. So if the kid walks away to check his phone, after a set period of time, the extended leak alert raises and closes the normally open master valve to prevent damage from flooding. For our extended leak programming, we go to the website weathertrack.net, we go to the program page, we open up the flow menu, where you find those leak alerts, and finally the extended leak alerts, where you set the extended leak mode and the extended leak delay. The extended leak delay is the number of minutes that you want to allow the system to identify that leak alert before the alert action takes place. So ask yourself how many minutes you can allow unscheduled irrigation to happen on your site before an alert action takes place. The action that you can elect to have happen is to close a normally open master valve. So with the extended leak mode, if you select alarm and action, will close the master valve and send notification. If you select off, no alert will be raised, no master valve will close, and that water will continue to run. Again, the extended leak alert is only for a controller with a unique set of conditions, including a normally open master valve, and the extended leak alert will only happen during non-irrigation hours, meaning the controller doesn't know that any irrigation should be running either through a schedule or from manual irrigation started at the controller, at WeatherTrack Mobile, or at WeatherTrack Central. So the extended leak alert is raised when, during non-irrigation hours, the controller starts to measure flow beyond the leak threshold and creates a leak alert. At that time, WeatherTrack basically starts a timer. And when that leak alert surpasses the extended leak alert delay, the extended leak alert is raised and closes the normally open master valve. If an extended leak alert interrupts you while you're using a normally open master valve, remember that clearing the extended leak alert will reopen the master valve and allow you to continue to work. And clearing that alert can be done at the controller at WeatherTrack Mobile or at WeatherTrack Central. Remember that using the master valve override feature suspends all leak alerts and would allow you the time you need for maintenance. So if I'm troubleshooting an extended leak alert, I'm always going to investigate the source of the measured usage, know if somebody is using quick couplers or hose bibs. And if I don't know the source of the measured usage, I'll go out to the site and manually clear the extended leak alert from the controller, and then watch the measured usage and make sure that when you're not using the system, the measurement still goes to zero. If there is usage, you got to find out what's running and turn it off. Is that quick coupler still plugged in that's the source of that measured usage? Or is it an irrigation system malfunction like a stuck valve or a break in your irrigation system that's causing this extended leak alert to happen? And you got to find what's running and turn it off. For more help troubleshooting your extended leak alerts, call the HydroPoint customer service team.